look it when I open it.
You can call me Queen Bee.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Blanca. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day or night. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I truly appreciate it. And for today's video, I'm so excited because I'm gonna be showing you what I got from the BoxyPopUp. So I think every month they open the BoxyPopUp where you can purchase stuff and everything is like up to 80% off. So I'm so excited. I got a couple things I'm gonna show you. So yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing I got was this GlamGlow Pump Mud Wet Lip Balm Treatment. I like the little packaging came with. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god. So let's open it. Oh, I see I haven't even opened it. I like how this is sealed. That means like nobody has touched it yet, you know? Because if you guys saw like on my Boxy charm when I did the unboxing, my palette was swatch. It had fingerprints. And yes, I never got back from them. It says hello sexy. Ooh. Oh, look at how little and cute this is. Look at that. It says GlamGlow. Ooh, I love the little packaging. You guys can see. It smells so good. Let me try this. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Look at. Ah. I'm not a big fan of lipsticks or lip gloss, but I love like chopsticks. And this one is, what is this one? This one is wet lip balm treatment. So it's like a treatment. It smells so good. I love how it feels. It feels nice. Let me wipe any. And I already cleaned all this stuff. I opened the box because it comes in a box, doesn't come in a BoxyCharm box. And I clean everything. I sterilize everything. But I love this. It's like really, really cute. And I believe this one, how much was this? Was this like $5? I think it was like $5. I can't remember. And it doesn't have the prices yet. But I love it. Super, super cute. Sheer Tint. Sugar Plum. Tastes like peppermint. Oh, it's a Moroccan mint. Teoxy. You guys see? Oh, you guys can see it. But I love it. I love it. As you guys know, like I tried that GlamGlow mask, and oh my god, I love it. So that's why I purchased GlamGlow stuff. The next thing I got was this, also by GlamGlow. It's this was $15, and it says here it was like retail for like $44. So this is like a Glow Essentials mask plus moisture. Alright, so then this one is, so there's like a clear, a firm, hydrate, detoxify, brighten, and moisturize. So I'm excited because you guys know I love masks. So I was like, and this was like $15. So I was like, oh my God, I'm so excited. And it says, hello, sexy. Oops. I dropped it. Oh, okay. Keep like this. Box over here. Oh my goodness, they're so little. So this one is the super mud clearing treatment. So it's like this. And then there's like this. They're like, look at how little they are. They're like so little. So what is this, like one time use only? What? Shake and squeeze to mix before use. Shake and squeeze to mix. Apply a generous even layer to clear skin, avoiding eyebrows and hairline. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Once completely dry. They're like so little. Look at this. I love the colors, but they're like really, you guys see, they're like really cute and little. I like it, but it's like, maybe like I'm gonna be using for like only like 2 times. Oh, I don't know. So I'm gonna have to try this individual. So stay tuned because I'm gonna be making a video trying them. I'm not gonna try them right now, but I'm excited. I mean, I didn't expect them to be this little, you know. I usually don't read. I just saw it and I was like, oh, I like this, and I just bought it. But so yeah, so I'm gonna review this individual, so stay tuned for that. Hey, and the last thing I got was the Violet Voss Best Life. I'm so excited when I saw this, and I also saw like oh, how you open this? Oh, okay. Well, at least I know it hasn't been used. I also saw Violet Voss post like a picture on Instagram using this palette. I put it right here. I don't know if she used oh my God, it's so hard to open. How do you open this? Oh, there you go. Oh, look at. Oh wow, look at this. Fancy. Ooh. I love this. So we're gonna swatch them. Comment down below if you want me to use this palette doing a look. I'm not gonna do a look right now because it's gonna be a long video. So, oh wow, look at when I open it. Oh, they're so shimmery. So I already like, first of all, when I saw it, I like the packaging. It's like so beautiful and colorful, and it says Best Life. So I was like, you know what? Oh, and look it in the middle, and it comes with another plastic. It says always live your best life. See, like this gives me like good vibes. All right, so let's put this right here. So the first there, oops, ooh, oh my goodness, Oh my goodness. Alright, so the first one is laugh, happiness, sunshine, success, happy hour, pets, and hugs. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. I love it. I just smudged it over here. So, and then it comes with the mirror right here. And then there's some more over here. Look at that. So pretty. So I'm gonna read them. It's weddings, cocktails, friends, love, living, parties, vacations, holiday, summertime, sunset, getaway, money, desserts, and peace. Ooh, I'm loving it. So we're gonna swatch them. You know what? Let me see. So it's like this. Let me just close this and swatch this ones first. All right. Let's see. So laughs. Wow. I didn't know it was gonna be so shimmery. So this is like shimmer, very shimmery. This one is happiness. It's like glitter. Oh, they're glitters. I never used glitters before. Sunshine. Look at that. So it doesn't stay. Oh, this one does. Sunshine, and this one is success. Look at that. So I'm gonna have to give this a try. Ooh. And then happy hour. Oh my god, you have to be very gentle with this. Happy hour. Okay, let me wipe this off. Wow, they're very, I don't know. I never tried, as I mentioned, never tried glitter, so I don't know. Pets and hugs. Look at that. You just have to touch it very careful. Did I do? No. So they're very, very, very shimmery, and this one is hugs. We'll do it right here. So they're very, very shimmery. Let me wipe this off. Oh wow. Maybe I'll do the other ones right here. Dry my hand. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so let's do this one. Let's put the other plastic right here. And let's see how this one is reddish. This one is like skin tone. How do I do this? All right, there you go. We're gonna try. Oh. Let me wipe this off. Sorry, I'm still learning how to do all this makeup swatches and things like that. But I just want to share, and yeah, so let's just, we're just gonna do it right here. So reddish. This one is really light, you won't be able to see it. Then cocktail. Oh, that's when you see it. Friends. Ooh, okay. Then love. Then living. then parties. Ooh, then vacation. Then we're gonna put it, then wipe it. Then holiday. Put the holiday right here. Then summertime. Put it right here. Then we got sunset. Then we have, let me wipe this. Then we have getaway. Then we have money. Then we have desserts. Then we have peace. Oh, should have done with this one. Hold on. What's in my? It's like eyelashes. Oh. Then we have peace. Then we'll put this one right here. Ooh. So I'm not too sure about the glitter ones. Oh, the colors are over here. But look at, I definitely love this purple because it's my favorite color. But look at that. I don't know. What do you guys think? $15. But I know like that was the BoxyPopUp, but it's like $49. This palette, I don't know if I will pay $49 for this palette, but this is like the colors. I thought everything was gonna be just like regular, not shimmery, because I never work with shimmery. So, but I'm gonna give it a try. So comment down below if you guys want me to do a makeup look using this palette. And yes, so, and that's all I got. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I love sharing the things I get. And yeah, so I don't know, would you guys consider buying this palette? I got it for $15, so I just wanted to give it a try. But yeah, so have a wonderful day or night. Much love to everyone. Stay safe and healthy, positive vibes, and I'll see you until the next one. Bye. Much love to everyone. Bye bye.